So how to use WebPlotDigitizer? Just write WebPlotDigitizer in Google, and you will see that this one is the app, but no, you will use the .io, this website link, and just click it here, and you will see that now we will launch it. Just click launch, and here you can see this option is available. Now you will load the image. Here is the load the image. Now you need the image. So for example, I want to need these data points, so I will just crop it this and crop it and save it. Okay, so I will save it and then I will just choose the file. So I already saved this one as a DAP tariff. So this image I will just open it, and 2D axis is okay, align axis. Now we need x1 x2 y1 y2. Proceed. Now x1 is actually this point, for example this point, this one, and x2 is this one, y1 is again this here, and y2 is this one. Now again complete, click, and now x axis is from 0 to 25 and y is 0 to 0.6. Okay, now add data points. Add data points, just click here, just click the data points. This is the very simple way to select all data points. Carefully select exactly the same point. Here you can see, if you want to, for example, if for example this point is a little bit, so you can delete this one and again add this point, this one, delete this one, again add this one, and the last one, this one. Now again run it. No need to run it because this is another options which I will not discuss right now, because want to extract the data in a simple way. Now view data, you will see all the points 0 to 24, all the points are available, so you can download the CAF DAP tariff. You can say the DAP tariff 2. So when you will open this, you will see that these data points are available, these are the time, and here this is actually the tariff. So this tariff you can use wherever you want.